Oh my God and my King, there is nothing I wouldn't do just to please you, oh Papa. I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die, oh. I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die, oh Papa. Papa. Minyami, metu chuma mawoda. Minyami, mebome sama mawunkwa. Unimi wo, unyami muda. Unimi wo, Emmanuel. Unyami, nimi ne wo. There is nothing I wouldn't do just to please you, oh Papa. There is nothing I wouldn't do just to serve you, oh Papa. I will love you till I die. I will love you till I die.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
And that's the daughters of glorious Jesus. One tabine nase. And a fayensi papa. Say Ashena what you for Asie. That's right. 23 after 3. Uti 106.3 Adom FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Monday afternoon, the 17th of May, 2021. Yamwa Kwaba. About Ofie Kwanso so Adom 106.3 FM. Memory free Sabre. Opem sebe bo nwume nsia. Na ye no esi nkunya na edi dwumedi abrɛwo. Yama yimu so pani edi nwume nsia ka se bo ato aso ama. Ensem ahodo no nyina. Aha, na obeti no. It's mani koso nda ha ya. E wa Adom 106.3 FM. Said you know that I know NCBA videos of our time in the Bebrew. Nah, before that, yeah, Ruko Kakrane Ashe, my journey on Facebook. This is the time to do so. Join us live on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Nebo Room Sisia. And a more interesting video be a minute, me pesa video no one kasa be share video no. You know videos ni bi wa obi hwe no catch wa. Aya na enye yi sa ne ade. Ba de wa hwe video no. Me pesa wa hwe video no. Me shedan kasa ho bebre. I want the video to speak to you. You know what I'm saying? It's joining me on Facebook, Facebook is here. Now one kasa be share video no. Videos of our time. Like I said, I want the video to talk to you. I want the video to speak to you this afternoon. Me shedan kasa ho bebre. It's with the brand join MCC here on Facebook. Now you can check our video on videos of our time by Kind Ketsi. Infinix Hot 10T. That's right. Etienne quick roll call. Nafi Yemfa dia kana trust na yenkoye nim. So straight up to Facebook. Who am I seeing here? Pastor Mario say I am the first. I see that thing here. Nafi Obed Odum. Obiba Kizi. I see you. I say, Brad, I'm watching you live from Laboni Coffee Shop, which is going out to Obiba Empress of Kaswa. Yeah, trust me anymore. Aviti, Esinam. I say, thank God it's another day. Cecilia Amwa. I say, I thank God for my life and that of my siblings and children. Veronica Ewedia. I say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. I am watching you live from Italy. Millicent Emisa. I also say, hello, Jerry. Good afternoon. Please, tomorrow is my birthday. When happy birthday in advance to you. Leona, if you are aye, or say wow. Bishop General. I say, good afternoon, Mr. Mensah. My friend request on Instagram is still on pending. Oh, please. And I promise, Omo send it to Omo requested to follow me on Instagram. You know, I'll deal with them today. Before I leave here, I check all my Omo accept I will accept it. And I'm about 40 years. Obviously, why is my account still private? You private. Nana J says, I love Adom FM. Yeah. Osha says, so Jagum say, and then one say, Cosa. Eddie Philippi, also say, or share Jumedino in Zurich. Dear Twaso, yeah. If I show it to me, I'll join you, baby. I will be Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Sometimes I wish I could just hold the message in my kind hands and be Philemon Sian or say Nyamiba phones. So many and also a wow shage media and I trust anymore. Comfort na lamne kwe. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. You know I am a blah. From Asteria Dache Hine, also says, say, wow, Stephen Fosu, or say, Brakwe, I see you. It's a beautiful brand new day. Yes, of course. Nana Kusi says, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. And then, Nana Kwame T-Pay, I say, Brad Jerry, I'm here. Nelson Neuku says, I'm listening to you live from Ashama, Newtown, Hobbies Creation, and I'm Michelle. Albert AJ, I see you. Without clap offering, you know what I'm saying? Victoria Jakumwa. I also say, hello, Brad J. I'm watching you live from Spinkters. And then Hipsy the Lipsy. Wow. I say, Jay, I'm with you. Nana I'm also say, good afternoon. The trust square in Bimwa, Nana Danswa. I say, hello, Brad Jerry. Elizabeth Kellis. I say, good afternoon, Ghana. I say, Esther Podogbe. Esther Podogbe. Esther, meet me board in no message no call. Right, so Edna Diaba, Bright Beckham. Oh, no message no call. Oh man. If I join you on Facebook, baby, I will be now. Young Trust and Chebiano. By can't see the new Infinix Hot 10T. Videos of our time, your boy Remna Yashe, and a video. Medical catch on that I say, and the video now, many old channel. I want the video to speak to you. And your video, I mentioned that there's a message in that video. I say, nah, yet me, Ishia. Footwobi was a video. Yena, I say to me, funny, the kind of brabon, a bab one year. If I try what your Flora disposable handkerchief now, when you're Joe, the hour late man, son count the temperature. And they're better than cloth handkerchief. If you free to now paper, or show us no paper, or your hints no paper, or no paper. We are no outside the handkerchief national butu. James, yeah, now the number infections be breeze. Anything you can for floral disposable handkerchief amount. You run a crow come out, it fits into your purse, your pocket, your bag easily. We back with the paper there we are not disposing of the 10 BR. Hygienically, or you're correct, BBI come out at the mouth. Nebons when you're available market baby. I do door pan of Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Flora, better than cloth handkerchief. Dominion about powder, and so born with me. I build a strong immune system. System, yeah, you want me to say immune system, no, papa, don't me and stand this our system here with me. You know what I'm saying? It's all about systems. It's more than man was some dominion about powder. No more immune system, no banana. And sign normalize of blood pressure, heart and kidney related problems in the BF or spine. I are now pains, stroke, diabetes, now pampamo, near the and a PBH acquired. Rebecca Bibia to D at the amount. Obenya Bia to away and another watching about, Hallow Seba, King's Walk about, Little George Health Shop or Tema Community 5, Repatch Ventures, Honey Nebio, and yes, our friend, Angel Dominions Herbal Center. That was 0543 158 195 and now 020 429 6449. Dominion Herbal Powder, your number one immune booster. Afetie, and they saw come market now cut off food product. I share the war or Basima seal. Food product be our being or Basima seal. HSS food products no. 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Yeah, and we hear the money paid. Obasima aye edimo bia wa busuan mu niti tuye nuanom mai tia mama ne yama asemia now come marketer make sure say obeto food product e wo Obasima seal ne ewo ho choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. After your boyroom now videos of our time. Yeah, the amount. Oh, I can't be 2 minutes behind. I can't be 2 minutes behind. My fancy with views is here. Now I'm pre video to medical catch you. Unyamba Facebook browse is here. Now I be share video because video no make sure that kasa wo honche. Message no woman is straightforward, very simple. Now message no unya. What I say? Lesson ne what's a video we no. A lesson be so be at me pick it lesson and I want you to be a part of it. So please join me on Facebook now. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook and let's share this video. But don't forget, say insurance idea whom here pass. Sometimes when you consider the amount of money you are paying here there, one shall be but insurance here pass. And nothing here come from us say insure with Phoenix Insurance. Say by now business with me Kosro. Nations say you rise again when disaster strikes. About Phoenix Insurance you treat claims quickly. Your policies in DP, your fire, motor, accident, marine, engineering, and bonds. And the ultimate fee, baby our shibia, now auto insurance way in chain via our short code *389*79*. Equally with me our friend 0302 246 319 and our fee 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. And I said, you are not young, a papa, no, Minia, and Yasem Kuma. Serious, pa. Now, said the bossy now, the temperature now hot, Zano. Over the amount, Saka chilled royal drinks be now no more. And also, Papa, say a year, royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, or royal cocktail. Come on. Not a coolie system, not the amount. Yes. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks, also you go like them. We are another quality product if you can Sapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Obenya Biato in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. For bulk purchase, phrase 0262 351 251. After 0272 133 373. It seems to the auto food on the baby. Hey, Gage near say Pigeon Mwako Kakras, woman could be no akawa. Zuka and engine capacity no was already a 500 Ghana food tank, the open Yabinache. And easy. No matter what you say, food on the board, then I want to know food on your papa. Oh no. The setting and they go say and can't show say. Those days now are torn ordinary fuel the Magana phones say chum. Omo say go na shenka for do na eto fuel. It is say as a set omutimi tritium fuel no ema eye papa the old guka no a ensel engine no. It is say o pe fuel papa pa unya chira sembia after so the guka mu dia. And your trophy Goyle. Yes, Goyle higher grade fuel. Tried and tested, proven and accepted. Come pa. Are most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. In addition to such superior qualities here, what fuel here I can want some Goyle higher grade fuels no. You're fortified no come pa. With the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer, yeah, more efficient, eco-friendly, na ye turn at no extra cost. Enti bodem, our Goyle fuel station bia, na ekoji Goyle Super XP Run 95, and na Goyle Diesel XP. Never go can when you bet just saw yensa or can't bet me a cassa crank on one baby and one cassa massa made das so I've tough papa dear gummy moo. Where should the Nika say your turn every Goyle fuel station be not just selected stations, all fuel stations are Goyle Nina Ubinabio. So fill up with Goyle higher grade fuels Ajibabia Goyle good energy Goyle it a DMU. Young from one young room na young share. And that video na ye na yen kan wasem. I'm John Patrol Burem Facebook says here. Now videos of our time. Yen show video no and show. Share. Sometimes we wait me at what na say 24. Efa abotre ho. How we can delay judgment kakra. But to listen no and also another thing altogether. Etim pempi na ya take decision betimi aya ade bia wi afa ye be ya ade na wi ebe hu e bia adwenkyira na ta ya kire na timu ponti ye ma sa ade ne bae no na ye nu ye ho se ye nya abotre na ya hwehwem kakra ansa but ebedu won so no na aye too late ya wo ye ho hwe a enyi bra Facebook now de be hwe video ya make ho asem yi a kire wi one ade ba kwa se etimi sua from this video abotre and then nipa ye pentempa ye bibia ye yemu ye ni abotre one say bibia gidi no adina say ba na waka wadwen awie especially say kra de abakra social media so yi and say unya ye obi be kana adwen atro sisi a obi betimi atro bibi ebi onipa kono nenim de wo hu and ebi onim de wate entina ebi a watro adeko a watro on social media and now why you post be on social media obi so ntiase the moment the person reads that na say message na say say post na pena ba now one started because they think that where they are you can't see them, they can't see you into a free mind. No, I cannot drink poto basa yet onim the reason why in dia onipa ho eye de na wo ye yento ye boase before we pass judgment. Uni obi ya de din sa wo so bi kura business bi na uni obi ye de wo expect senka ebesi no bi anya sa ne baaye, then you start reacting gidi And so ebia nka onya abotre kakra no nipa kono je oh please this is not what I signed up for ebia they was so why ebia anka onya abotre kakra nipa no betimi akire mu akire wo amante ase be ba ma wakoma ehuru bebrebe kra no anka ehuru saa nanso nipa desani yeni abotre I be react sisi a gidi asa come na esi yeso afa ye be wie na ye be hu se ade kra nya kra esi nya abotre kakra nkeye abusuan borua mu on Facebook na hwe video no ne yensua abotre efisa video mu na fe how we pass judgment and based on that yetimi kanya dwen kire amanfo ewie ewa bra such people they don't deserve sometimes the insult that we rain on them. But by the time you be realizing, now you hear, now that time you hear, you hear. But we more Facebook next video this is here. Now for you on. As the video is rolling, I will narrate. Jeko Fatum na aircon na me narrate said the adieno esi aircon no na omanfo ehum. Eti patro join you on Facebook this here na video no ashase. Na me more ho nkomo na ehwe video no. Oh access to Facebook na osha. You will appreciate it much better. But more money Facebook no. Me narrate ad nachem. So this woman, very nice looking woman, which means a respectable now obi o kama. And now I order for pizza. And I deliver pizza no dia breno. Ye the pizza no breno now obi pizza no so no. There was no toppings. You can't no toppings. Pizza won say ade na ya de gugu so no. Ebua ebia mushroom kakra ebia pig kakra or say a pork let me put it that way na ebia enema bia ye twetwetwade gugu so em ne me ye rich na ye de ne ade no we there it was raw nothing etu say say pan o keke bi na ye tra na de abre maame no then no na maame ni bufuye e na ofre baby o deliver pizza ne fie no e no hye say o kana dwen phone no so. And if you listen to the woman, the abusive language you use to just say ni bofu how so be order for prison and then you bring her this just say okay cannot dream basa on taking a minute to listen to the person on the other side and watch him and say oh ebia say ana say ebia de ti abase ni ana say okay cannot dream sir okay cannot dream sir so no can I talk to the manager? I want to talk to the manager. What happened was oh no it is the manager you are speaking to. Oh, was only manager and so na dear bay order. How can I order for pizza, no cheese, nothing, no toppings, raw, then. Okay, can I dress still manager and command manager and kasa? Into a can manager are you sure of what you're saying? And no bisano, the location no manager person cross check no say pizza ben or request here. I need to their brain or complaints because on Tiasia. It was bisa say any other name near day name or the order for pizza near day near day. Now obise bisa no catch no say which type of pizza now or request and you but okay can na manager no so boy share over there no who say omo ye bibia pepe de mama me. So why is it that she's complaining say she any ade no eso it's one manager na kai who say maybe it can happen say what turning pizza no outside down. It will end up catching say on share close to the box no share. Say if box near down in the chair na you man also no your share so now there was no brand beer on the top no who said there be any what done present you on turning the other way around. And I say okay. So the woman turned the pizza outside down the other way around where you have the brand name no of the company couldn't deliver pizza in there. And to her surprise, the toppings near was no. How rich the pizza is, just a super rich. And near cheese, bibia, everything intact, perfecto. Come on. And I had delivered their breno. So you see the name of the pizza company, no. Everything bibia. I feel the mammy no didn't say katana no. I feel the new woo. On who dear on yen no. After raining all these insults, near the with all the complaints near the And now this is what is happening. Not knowing, say, Bibia was perfect. And your number and away nyabotre. Because you had the pizza on the brain, or the Tony tables, and turning it upside down. So it was pizza not say, and I know who thinking, say, pizza no swallow, and then started insulting them. And the idea. Abotre yinya. A bit me I say near my pee. Sometimes you can be so mad at an event, be bet me a see, and then ubube fu. One share yeah, the way you obey react, said you obey yeno. Actually, ube who the reason why inti are there na banisino. Now you're late, but now I share the sort of person you are already. Where there why ye? Imagine say, oh, a ferry phobia or and now visitors be, with you at home, and this happened. Now why ye? Pizza company in area BBA say no more catch say they are not sure, so be what Daniel did to turn it the other way around. Now be na the see in presence of your guest near day. How would you feel like? Now would disagree soon cry. Yenya botre. As we begin this week, Yama Bibia anya boko. Aya yan to your boss kakra before we pass judgment. Mayen rashe and Nema na ebia. Na yako situation etisi ebim. Ene videos of our time dear Debreo no eno. Na enchibia yebehwe asemu edi to your home. But before that, you fast that say my proud sponsors on my my day videos of our time, bro. The new Infinix Hot 10T. About your way latest one cry on Modiabeka Infinix family no at home. Then you can say when you get this phone, ubenya gift in addition. Ubitimienya a crossbody bag, and now say sports bottle, max ne actually piaka yedina ebekao edi amount. It was 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display, and the battery so then what 500 mAh battery capacity. And the CPU net them no so go yi. This all book games was so near the no run faster be sharp near there and breaky. Sanka the new Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 64 gig ROM. Yeah, no, 788 Ghana cedis only. And I pay Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 124 gig ROM, and also Ubenyano 888 Ghana cedis only. And there's more. Just say Infinix that they bro from the Hot series. You can visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide. Now on sweat me abomodia at all day. Yes, idea. Phone shops are doing now no kwa baku be there. Sabit me aka Infinix. The future is now. On Madama and I share and the videos of our time. Abusua baby I do know. We'll take just a minute. Na ye de ahwe ene asem a ye de tu yehofo e wo dwumedi so ye tu yehofo wie pa we on komo bi wa emu ode pa e no ba be disan komo no right here on Adom 106.3 FM Ofie Kwanso. Okay, so time now so say ye ti asem we de tu yehofo, and usually say minya guest on the show I am me decide yo mo pa instead say me the message beba ye de beti asem we di tu yonfo no na me de ama me guest no na mama mo the opportunity na omo nso no asem wo edom akoma so a on person de mo man for no di tu omfo no na mo de ama na me wa guest on the show today. Me introduce you no nchemo before me introduce na me na din komo no we dey ono so me dey no said me dey enkrofo na under 2 minutes the message and now bet me dey ma Ghana for 80 nyina na enfan tu yehofo and na wie
okay. You know, me person me catch Robia say follow dreams. Maybe our person bia make sure say obey memo be and catch yourself untimi. You can do it. And please, thank you for the love and support.
All right, so that's simple. Mona for real is in the building. Now, on your mind, someone you did to your for or say follow dream. Is that not it?
Aye.
To men give you up. But tiny see when it's not now die so nice. Make sure you follow it, and then whatever it is that you want to achieve, fight till you achieve it. Men give you up. Nice one. That's a good one. All right, so yeah, that was say for this message. Yeah, Odia Mayan say you're friend to your phone. Yenfa is was than my proud sponsors are Daniela Omoboy at this point. And no a door master and the Pudman paint depot. And Patrol Burum one was here now also wet me enya a doors I would why bit me a boy yipa. And they will enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Na nina no 100 over 100 and like over 100 designs and colors. I'll be to me choose from. I just said the OP piano. Now I will choose what there. Now doors and range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armor doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors. In fact, any kind of door piano, it be available on more on so sabit me. I can prices also there. At a phone book or now or buy in paint a phone on so now. Your partner with news paint. Yeah, more man for Euro standard newspaint, acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty, any paint accessories. I would be na. Nika somebody say, and they yet buy a friend paint now, pay later. Na ni na say, Obaba beji paint ruby or near the painty or dino. Now ya spread this kind of one. What to was a teacher and kakra or Brian for interest be a so. It is schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers in ya. Momrana mejibi. Na monson fan complaint more than matum boise. LTTS cano kakra. Oh, share quaya, you will a pubman. Two with one on the Accra Kumasi Highway. If I saw Jina Pubman two with one, we need to your shop and wait me a free 0542 745 222 and I face 050 021 2447. As they do from DBS Industries Limited, almost no my are losing trusses. Come pa. Say instead so be kwakoto ndua na ode aboy dan no so. Ansa na we are the roofing sheet na boso. Yeah, advice say to DBS are losing trusses be no end there. Light in weight in fat pressure be good dan no so. We so en raste embu enye hwe. Nti ye ma warranty over 100 years. And she say nana council mu na betimi abetena dan na the roof no enye hwe. Ye kan fo dia ma obi a. Ne bon so nye den so as compared to nua di kra no. Unze we dey yi pa. Tibra DBS Industries na ebeje are losing trust even for good dance we are na waje coloring plus roofing sheet ni bi so e dey aboso preko na chese bibia I set but your friend na your free estimate 0240 844 444 one cry ha your yes printers would do fear so enchi bia no di papa restaurant and a Kumasi phone phrase 050 600 4141 Nata credit for phrase 050 600 4242 now on the DBS Industries heading come on. MTN saying can't show say all the free after 1 hour. Nah, very simple. And one say wa peka certain person who abush and food in kasano. Just call them. Nekasa how they talk for as long as you wish. You only pay for the first minute of the call and the rest is absolutely free. In addition, Obesa enjoy 50 megabytes of data at their browser for free. When you sign you MTN phones is here and about star 550 hash. Now I subscribe to MTN free after 1 now, and then you stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. Now let's get into action.
Queen Mona for real.
Ofie Kwanso with the beat just on Adom 106.3
Never see one who is better than me. Oh boy, never seen my time. The more we talk, but the kids go they lie.
Better than. Charlie, this song, then people they think say, oh, you won't just try the waters, they see and things and things and then you call your sheep there. Then see no the other ones they follow. Charlie. But young boy come out. I mean we'll get to the other ones. But but say now decided say you get into music.
Oh, music, baby, I'm a person for a very long time.
Really?
Yeah. It's just that I'm ready, me need courage, you know, but you know, after everything that happened last year, I realized say time waits for nobody, and if you want to chase your dreams, now is the time to, and I'm doing just that.
Wow. So all those like yes, I've been could now what that we need to music, but now I say on share down here ready. So what we doing now? Try to now say now practice like how?
No, me want you me tro and also na me prepare myself. You know, I just na me person me yet perfect.
Wow.
I'm about out, but my own say Charlie, we are see with you bit man start not later. Why a perfect?
But you know, sometimes people try or be that dream no how, but what they are told then gets to that times no, this I can do it, let me do it. No why, but I'm for your chum kind and they start with some negative comments near the other then discourage them if you who they buy people were talking I just for it no mona for it on the other hand I'm saying no buy this guy how go if you do music.
I know, right?
Those things now to see any and discourage you and boo them.
And then I may say now me prepare my prepare for all that already. What you say me were very thick skin to see auntie Charlie. Yeah music now. Wow.
Okay, so young man said, wait, this happens to be the very first one at the buy.
I'm better than.
Okay. And there was Fine Girl.
Fine girl.
Mommy, I feel Fine Girl. I can't trust you.
With Mona. The back up check, I fair check. We dey work. Make will fair so I chop tomato. Check my swagger, some pancaleto. Make will fair so I chop beto. Call me Mona, look at me and check it down. Fine girl, come from Ghana. Check it down. I can't lie to you. When I'm too high for you, I'm too high for you. Look at me and check it down. Check the body, I'm the sexy lady. Body too curvy. Heavy, I'm the sexy lady. Body too curvy.
Wow. Fine girl. Fine girl, come from Ghana. Hey.
Oh baby, oh. Fine girl, come from Ghana. Say what? See my front check. To the back up check. I fair check.
Okay, Mona, so this song, then you won't take launch your body, you will make people know say, yeah, you did. So I mean, so John, I mean, Shadi Kaka, so I'm me person me Shadi. So person me Shadi Kaka, so I'm ready. So me. They saw that no Grammy. So the front there, moment fix it headphone man. Or chat 360 headphone. Wow. So see my front, check, and then see this one. Okay, so me too. I check. I see say
everything be checked.
I see. All right. So now you share. Your Nkofu Pia almost talent, no. They want to do the thing, but what it takes to do it, and but talent, no. Young Nkofu mom show your mom near. You audience it's saying it's someone writing the songs for you, and I say one outro. So far, you might have been one outro.
Oh, Pacho me by why?
Okay, he's fixing it for you. Okay. Jiku say so I didn't man na o try 360 with studio and I'm there. Mama we try 360 ama ahoma here sorry. Jiku plug your baby from man my wine and
Okay.
All right. So now I wanted to know how you get your songs. One outro out there, or you have people that help you to write the music.
Me team yet short together. Sometimes me sure na me they like to me go you through. They take some out, they fix some. So it's basically a teamwork.
Okay.
You know.
So which team now in your
Oh, my team was low key.
Charlie, they said you are saying sorry.
Yes.
People no one show them. Charlie, oh, he did. Home person make out.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So they help you out, but is it that now their mom now then they go through it and advise you, okay, this one you found to and we see.
Oh, I don't make no. Sometimes he said, God's child say, my idea and I made it by.
Okay.
And then, it's now and I thrown it together. Fine Girl say it was written by Kwame Eugene.
Really?
Yeah. So my songs are mature by myself and a bit for so
okay. So now the new one you are pushing is God's Child.
God's Child.
Okay. Tell us about God's Child. Now patches. Do you now want to do gospel? Do you want to take us to church? Do you want
gospel where they you know? So this song is for me, for you, for all the God's children that are listening to us right now. You know, but you know sometimes. Obi to me town for nothing, like just because of when you fe omu town. You know?
I said we know okay.
Yeah, I am just because they be out by Juma. Somebody just hate you and you didn't create yourself. I mean, and me see my main fan bonyum and it makes sense. And people love it. Yeah.
I got it. All right, so let's jump into the new one from Mona For Real. Ofewe, God's Child.
Nyameba.
Na you are na ya kan wasem kakra.
Say what? Make a count on my blessings and my favor. Everything I am from the Most High. Naturally I'm blessed. Money that look on the face. When they say that I'm the best, naturally I'm blessed. I don't even have to run the race. Naturally I confess, yeah. Tell me what you gon' hate on. Can you tell me why anyone who hates on me? Hates on my wings, hates on my grace, yeah. Me not fear no hater. Me not fear nobody who go hate on me. Hates on my wings, hates on my grace, yeah. I'm God's child. You be me the one. You can put the blame on God. I'm God's child. If you hate on me, then you will hate on God. I'm God's child. You be me the one. You can put the blame on God. I'm God's child. If you hate on me, then you will hate on God. I'm God's child. Bunny. I'm God's child. Bunny. I'm God's child. Mama Father bless me, no know. Why he saving me from all the cases, me no know. Why all the riches, me no know. Why he make me better than this, me no know. All the consa, all the bad things we say, me and you go. Hey, I so calm, me and me back to so. Tell me what you gon' hate on. Can you tell me why anyone who hates on me? Hates on my wings, hates on my grace, yeah. Me not fear no hater. Me not fear nobody who hates on me. Hates on my wings, hates on my grace, yeah. I'm God's child. You be me the one. You can put the blame on God. I'm God's
Kona say chese.
Bani enyemia.
Okay.
The house.
Mona for real. Bani.
Yeah.
Okay. So enyemia.
Bani.
Yeah. Enyemia.
Yeah,
Ibi nyame where you do am. Where you make me so. I understand. I feel na matter nyom na say. You know, say yeah, enye me na Miami who say nyame na me sa. So if you no envy me, go Charlie. But that thing there, that should be a better one. So now, God's child is everywhere, and I'm out for a PB now. I can get it right.
Yes, it's everywhere. It's available on all the digital platforms.
Yeah. But who produced this one?
This one was okay. So. Mina Metroy, and then it was produced by MOG.
Oh, okay. God's child. It's nice. No be me do am. So if I don't put the blame on me, put it on God. So if you go fit blame God, that one there, now your own problem. More now for real. But now that we know about this one, bon come on, kid me or just few minutes be. Now let me find out from you. Ever since Ubora industry, how has it been for you? Other artists no are they or before you join, especially the ladies, because the man they say I am more problem. Receive you after.
Oh, to be honest, dear, like Nkofa showing me love. Like so much love, my downfall, my fans, my family. Like Cecilia, they me enjoy love no pa. What's yes.
Then you are very fortunate too.
Oh yeah, me. I'm God's child. What's yes, Charlie love no dear.
So if the girls self they show love, then the guys need and the guys need and cry. So so far so good, right?
Oh, so far so good. So far so good.
But coming into the industry, you know, from afar now go prepare near the anybody and no one who amount for women, especially ladies, no one who they no more there and with also their woman are now person also odeba. Now looking at your strength, looking at what you have and the let's give ourselves like 5 minutes. Where do you want to see Mona for real or industry no more?
Okay, so I'm working really hard and definitely I want to see myself go far. I want to see myself go international. Like the sky should be the limit for me. Whoa.
All right, yo. By 5 years, yeah.
I mean, my long life, any health, and one.
All right, so before I if there's any other message I'll put it out there for people or 80 or fans or followers near
Oh, well, what do I have? Oh, I didn't know to be.
I say you oh yeah. You're on.
So all I have to say is keep supporting me, keep loving me. I have a lot of surprises for you. Like stay tuned. Me babe, me person men kasa bebre. Make sure you follow me on your friend is saying YouTube. For Real Entertainment, number 4 REALL Entertainment. Charlie Midi. Fire Bremo. Just stay tuned and keep loving me. I promise I will never disappoint you guys.
Vibes. You know they see that thing. Mona for real, Charlie. Thanks for passing by.
Thank you so much for having me.
This is a good one. So we'll keep pushing it for you. All right. Oh, Mona for real.
Next time, I was enjoying it.
Definitely. I mean, we there for you. Anytime that be our person, but I mean, just feel free and come over. All right. Abusuan Chebia says Scott Betnase. Around the world in 5 minutes with says Scott here the bedroom. Here on Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Yankan for Royal Aroma fortified rice, Emma. You can't. In the year 2017, and at the University of Ghana, in collaboration with UNICEF, steady be. Now, approximately 50% of women and 66% of preschool age children suffer from anemia. Now, you do now one more to suffer from deficiency. Just say no, certain vitamins and minerals be many idea. It be any young you knew any idea, so you need some vitamins and minerals on a free mood direct. They say to me, it pay in me. They additives kakania de adia no bit me boy na amayen sa vitamins and minerals and nunti and the popular brand Royal Aroma I introduced the first popular and answer the first fortified rice and Ghana I feno Royal Aroma fortified rice. Yeah, the nutrients be say iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9 as well as B12 ashim kamapa. Now, every serving beer of Royal Aroma fortified rice, now, at least 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients. It is a now bedin kwa there. Mami. Enya busiana browate. Manenye Royal Aroma fortified rice. Na bibia beko ye. When him say rent to own so abagana. Oh yes, Alande or Kodo. Yeah, make us a man for the more gym. Yes. Rent to own. Say land and I say ye fee. Where ownership schemes from Kwa Yadiaba by the Ningo Pram District Assembly and in partners supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat and on the Sanshi Abba. So be smart. Where you live and where you trade matter. You can own a home or a fully serviced commercial land or space. Memory Fisa Obe Johnny affiliate housing cooperative no. Now and also etimi abwa kwaniasa enyina so. You can apply now. Now also etimi enya kwanya osa special lifeline offer no emu. It lasted till the 31st of October 2021. Opese edinkita ho a 055 55 30 300 and now 055 70 54 635 and our fee 0577 911 101. Website newaccra.city. The planned city extension project shaping Ghana's urban future. And then I pay me sorry and I'm a cautious me COVID vaccination card no. And me de share me hoboko. Say mate say second dose ya ready there. Menya ward we say e beso me so a. Me take second job no preku na emfri o. Timbedu announcement you am say e be fa. The general public, especially persons in the Ayawaso Central Municipality, some will be taking note of the second dose of the vaccination for those vaccinated between the 1st and the 9th of March this year. Yeah, Mr. Mekan will be say you know. Second job on air basso then yeah, shall say Yamayadma, we could be the 19th of May. And judiciary and our media and your one account. So visit any clinic and then get your second job no BBA and kuyi and from my wife. And now vaccination centers I would wanna baby I'm going to take first one. Na BBA so intimate and ya kama and my ina. And your bunny yummy. No be saving me from all the cases me no. Why he make me better than this? Me no know. All the concosa, all the bad things we say. Me no. Can you out to Madam Victoria Nana Ama Shrefio Boache Owatema. And now would be 74 years. Hooray! Happy 74th anniversary to you, mommy. Wow, Obabema. Nana Kweku Jehu, aka Top Spice, or Atlanta, Georgia. Onini Nyanmunina. Someone will show long life, good health, more blessings. Yamin cause no shower. No more can be more. Mommy Yamin shower. Obakwa Kusu de oye correct guy pa. Oh Atlanta pa na. Oh ye event na say Top Spice wonim bi dia na che say amfa. Unyad ni hu jimpe na fa. Yes, Top Spice. You me two chama area. Eti mommy yamo awoda pa. Nyame on show. Na nko so show akopem se obeyi nhira. E wo Yesu dim. Amen. Around the world in 5 minutes. Where's Scott? Basu Cecia. This one here says today happens to be the birthday of Madam Patricia of the Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group. May the good Lord bless and protect her. She's so fantastic and we love her so much. So a happy birthday going out to you, Madam Patricia of the Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group. Hey.
Why he saving me from all the cases? Why all the riches? Why he make me better than this?
And a happy birthday going out to Edwina.
All the bad things we say.
Ayeki Saki. May the good Lord bless you and protect you, guide you, and may you live to see your great grandchildren from your father, Mr. Henry Ajisa Saki and Nicholas Akwe Anand. Happy birthday to you once again. I'm Corporal Kennedy Kofi Abua, aka Asante Achim Kofi Massacre of National Protection Unit of the Ghana Police Service, and also a member of the Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group. Wishing Candice Inshraba Nyameche Adobia Abua a happy birthday. My message for her is that I love her die. And may the good Lord guide and protect her until she becomes a responsible adult. Oh, wow. That's nice. That's nice. Lost child. I was sure, yeah, they're around the world in 5 minutes. That bros is here.
Why all the riches? Why he make me better than this? All the conquer, all the bad things we say. Me and you go.
Please wish my son, Edwin Nyame Akwan Kofi Ahen, a happy birthday for me. He's 2 years old today. So a happy birthday going out to you, Edwin Nyame Akwan Kofi Ahen. From Mrs. Ahen to you. Kindly help me wish my friend Ruth Abba Ya Ako of Tema, Community 11, a glorious happy birthday today. May God bless her abundantly. Wefi Nana Ajwa Boatman Chair. Bani, bani, bani. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's about that time we bring you around the world in 5 minutes with Sus. Time on that song. Yeah. Sewawa. 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 Scott, Jerry. Scott, Jerry. You Akwaba. Akwaba. Now, how was your weekend?
Jerry, balancing. How can the weekend go well when the balance is empty? Say I catch your movie. Say I catch your movie.
I catch your almost soon and think I crave you. And so, yeah, one more for me, and I may travel.
But catch your say,
almost soon and think I
gradually Sakai, I'm in Sakai to be. Yeah, I catch your home. Yes, I did. Me, I'm a coming home strike a crack. Because she made 2 months. Gradually, how was your weekend?
Full of activities. Unya crown what done there, Charlie.
It is well.
But yeah,
sending no soon here.
And you know, no. I can't
listen.
Tia fans.
Adia Bakwa will be catching me say, in fact, with here radio about Bradley voice a different amount of. Oh, yeah. No, a young lady, I'm saying, but your Bradley Shekawa. Yeah, Nancy Ukas, I am so to one son. Why?
Make us an amazing.
Now we should say, no one who can. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Papa.
He's out of the market. He's out of the market. Bradley,
yay.
Can I tell you something?
Go on.
And then Monday. Bradley.
Yes.
Ma obedienti. Sabemano. O kanska. Naso din tosio ana kanensa kanska na. My sister, the Lord is your strength in the relationship.
Sabemani kanska.
Kanska
na obontesio.
Obontesio yese. Asana wa kanska na. The Lord is your strength in that relationship. The Lord is your strength. Take note. A man taking note. A man taking note.
Okay.
Rajeri.
Yes.
Me pese me bisa man question say. Omo papa nom. Young ladies here be. Omo papa nom e ya we. Say omo fle omo colleagues baby ana.
If their fathers are aware, say they are calling their
age mate.
Ne papa ne age mate
baby ana. Me pesa ne papa ya aware pa say ne papa age mate no ne ba na friend baby ana. Me pesa me bisa wo mo say
arose guess ibenyabo afi obenyabo
brother.
Yes,
say won ne te ho na say en once na tie be si ni tiri ho a adwen papa ni tiri. Oh, me na mka chiro. Quick, the cheese. Daddy, and then wait, once I run was there. Messi. Messi, I'm hoping.
Yeah, seven crazy. Yeah. Sir, one minute.
Nasa once na tie basis in the trim one. I didn't papa in the trim sister. Run away.
Okay. Yes, ready.
Run away.
You yati.
Run away. Roger. Then you see something.
You're ready.
We are not about what we na ya pon.
Okay.
Yanko Nigeria. Anambra State. Roger.
Yes.
Maybe show you video be amra Facebook, and then for the first time I'm maybe show you video.
Okay.
Me person me hate 1K. As I mean show video no. Into obi anwane pa.
The other ban no.
Story na me be kana no ode ne. Brotherly. Abrantie ni papa ewu. Na wo kwa eyie no. Ode lion. On say when me ka say I tell me so mo Facebook me no. And then person me tumre na ma kire sie so aka ho.
Woko eye
Anambra State asem na make Nigeria
na ode lion jata na uchi jata ode ne kwa eye
and ode na Bradley, it is unbelievable. It is on Facebook. Obi antu ne nkwohwe Bradley on Facebook comment to come Omo mahwe.
Jata no em so ne ba wo.
Ai.
Onyi sa.
Na brother oni kura wey.
Dabi na jata bia is jata.
Jata bia is jata.
Even oye day born.
Every jata be jata.
Share.
Brother we found it.
Na alata fo na we. Share.
Na we asem say we na o pefri wonsa. Ne papa you. Ne papa yi. Minim say jata dia no ko hu.
Akwa no onye jata na.
Chese me dwene ho a menti ase nso abrage me nyene ho omo nkwohwe
hwe na ekura kwabra ne hwe
ekura no nso ekura no
odane saso hwe
my god
na abo ne bufu enipa nso atwa so abo ne
asam no
ne bufu no odane se ebo obi sa ho
biza we kuni pakeke opese amanfo omusi amanfo ka ne papa ho Mimi who say the target no. Just look at this. Anambra State here.
This is serious oh.
Me kwa personally echo video by. Bet me do 12 o'clock here. Shout out to Raja Rohu.
Ayo.
I want the papa.
I know the
papa. Na we
ya. Ni pardon mu say.
Oh, I won't say kwa.
Enye say bia jatane na mu fie o.
Yeah. Wo papa da form. O papa da former wu kwa kosie no. Ready awoye. Can you imagine?
Ayo.
Can you imagine? Ready no na da ho no. Met me ato aso ana.
Yanko yanim.
Yo, enti ada Facebook utimi ko hwebi. Na wo de wo comment aba. Bradley. Yanko Thailand. COVID-19 cases no air rise pa. Na expert e wo kire say the entire ama COVID-19 no arise e Thailand. Prison almost does so hot into a TSC prison and I'm
spread prisons no
prisons in Tiama numbers no are rising.
Whoa,
I'm catch it. Ama numbers no are rising pa. Ama numbers no rising pa. Ama numbers no rising pa. And you know almost per se one more day near me go akwim send ye beya bibia ebetimi akọ. Ama warm. Ti Bradley no. Bradley, yanko who for us we make who are World Health Organization. Bradley, omo di asembia bana I think say we ni beje ho kakra. Omo kire say long working hours. Ekunipa.
We adwuma mre
tenten a ekunipa. Sa. Enti le beya omo bie adwuma omo fa amanfo adwuma. Almost one year in 20.
Ofie Kwanso say nenke ai ne wana wape.
And the Radio Yadai.
O say introduce na afere
na Ofie Kwanso wana wa Yadai.
Just a quarter there modwe. Na maka na afere hwabu na mu na ma Africa ni papa bills na me
kwa me segment dey na wa be power.
Send around the world in 5 minutes. We need around the world in a minute.
In 10 seconds. Brother, it's almost just a kunipa bebreba man function nso. Long working hours. Almost say say nyame na America. World Health Organization. You're from who?
Almost so no. Credible.
Yes. The whole world will be him. Yes.
It's almost like the nurse shut it so.
Yes, so. Tell me if you was better to credit your sis no be 5:15. It's brother almost just say long working hours and almost rage my fool.
Wow.
I almost so. One so pa enya sam kitwa.
Okay.
One enter so. Brother, I say some guys I dey me ba be kan ni be je.
Good news pa.
Good news.
Went to but mom man in Kaketua.
Badgery.
Yes.
Media C. Can I tell you something?
But subtle.
Oh, na okay. Once na dia na me kan na. No dia ya dia. Badgery.
Yeah.
The person me ka sem bi.
Okay.
Say oba no date be man no because say opese be man ni tua na renta.
Say oba date be man
all because opese be man ni etua na rent e man no. I didn't on date landlord ni mo. Ana Bradley. Bradley. Ana some making. If you are dating
a guy
because of
just so obey you rent amount there, then why don't you go ahead and date the landlord?
Ana Bradley as making.
If you are not a landlady.
Dabi, send your landlord Kwanso.
There will be an if you are landlady now do it.
And you want to know if you are dating because of rent, why don't you date the landlord himself? I think say no better. I think say no better. Bradley,
yes.
Maybe sorry sooner before that.
Okay.
Me person me. Bradley, everything private be any expensive, Anna.
Everything private.
Any expensive.
Expensive.
Private schools.
Yeah, expensive.
Private hospitals.
Yeah, expensive.
And the private car crash and nothing.
Yeah.
Private jet.
Yeah, yeah.
So my question is, I think Tina Merman will pay oba private part for free.
Right.
And then Monday, my name was one. Mr. I think and I want to pop her private part for free. And I am private in move one.
That's so great.
Brother, do you know ISS Scott? Instagram. ISA_Scott_official. Follow me there. What quite some other free Krobi KJB?
Okay.
Let us say what kind of way.
No way, JB.
Bradley, French in the back was a Javel Capel. Let us say what it tested day. Yeah, bet you catch a woman. Esa, maybe.
Okay. All right, people. So that was around the world in 5 minutes with my man, Sir Scott. Hey, I say move. Yeah, for about could be trim for you. Yeah, one boy home for I get his person. So yeah, his name is Ofie Kwanso, and he calls this one Obi Boy. Yeah. Lies. And now I'm from my yeshi. And then my Obi Boy. I feel now who me and I skills me. I'm in dream.
But you tell me what will be a cheat. Although that don't know. She boy be more. I didn't know so bad. But you tell me what will be a cheat. Although that don't know. It's too late to say you love me. Although that crack. Although that crack. But when he come around. It's too late to say you love me. Although that crack. Although that crack. Well, when he come around. We get my hubby boy. We get my hubby boy. We get my hubby boy. Although that don't know. We get my hubby girl. We get my hubby girl. We get my hubby girl. Although that don't know. Okay, what's mommy? Mama, what's mommy? Mama, okay, what's mommy? Mama, who do you? We get my hubby boy. We get my hubby boy. We get my hubby boy. Although that don't know.
Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob. Tune it in. Turn it up. Rip off the knob.
Adom FM 106.3 FM.
Although that don't know. no jofana mi come koda. Yana ma vi odo ye wanu ngomo. Si do no jofana mi come koda. Yana ma vi odo ye wanu wabiti. Ba menia, see you are. Bimfira odo ye wantambera. Now what did me a chop odo hima? I want me a jetty, Bravier. Adom me a chirame. I'm into me, Ofie. Hey, chirame. I'm into me, Ofie.
Baby, ta na 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 na. Also have the vibe. That mean you be back. I'm here for my brother. Hey, I don't pay me Anna. I don't pay me Anna. You like come on me, Nivaya.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. Papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Na fe na ye fiona no.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. That they be Alligated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because mitia manage na me stress
That's all. Kwame akwaba.
Okumejo so.
Say empunu mu ye.
Anyame adom.
Anyame ase. Ade ku akwaba. Say bibia boko de.
Yan fast da manyam.
Ebeyi.
Yan fast da manyam.
Ebeyi.
Ya ovem.
Yes, bibia be fine.
But ade wo mu ni say penifo ka say di osusu na ni na o say unia usu ani. What I say?
Yeah.
we are nan crofus woman moye de woman moye de but your corner bi wa opa efa
yeah
hono enso nto ho enso ti to amasama ya be fa poku ase ya bisi be se ofanko barrier but we twa bedu abeka junction na ho we say im say sa na brabo na koye yeah
ebiti ye kwaku
oh
ebiti ye pa
say ene nyame ncha de eduro su chimi chi nkrofo mo mu twa mo dem ne ade ba bontin mi hu
oh yeah ebiti ye kwaku
uze first na yesisi so foforo na otimi to tape ana TV ni DVD ni ade no o ha na peso obi besra obi ba odem na obi sampa yeah especially so utonko nya foforo
esa now the volume na 2000
oh ubenya no na ko bia be go adem o be hu se ne se bi na aka yesika fo na okuruma o si dan na efe na emu no na kitchen ni toilet o bia o peso obi hu se ade se no ai no wa nya ne sa me yele o be
they spend so much just spend this on say
nti aba sa na bloggers na adidi when peka quest mom kakra sa na when abekoba nti ne blogger no ko hokra na baby SS ye twa kra na wo twa toilet su na won be ko twitwa wo na
kwaku se ayi sakomo no estate o maka ka me chede nwura mu sa da me dey na me first time kwaku kro na ye wona ebi tie pa
aden minia
tie su ayi
na we can ayi one who a fleet of cars when train or cantonment one Miami grand fan ho na one
bako de no say finish station wo airport wo no ka bi e tese broche kura no enru 3 o obi ayi bi wo airport shell
na no na Max madam for Max ona ne don bi pa ne ade a chese ono so don do say eja don apaso don a chese ono drop from Yankee ena won chire cash ne ade a no mko pim na omo ho na small baby na kan land na akon hweka no so what no hweka is no hweka so happen na small boy no see no buy do happen na Kwanso no say is that your car no so yeah for so no then you guys are rich over here also was starting also the dream car was starting after for US was starting to so person or person
why am calling for so yes car to saka
small boy ya to
na for when so who said who in shop who said them in the business but we want to pull up in the range over
yeah range over
and range under
we want to the range over up you
and over sir
and
na fi ade
o kan range over no be o kan
that love crowd can rover number
kwaku ubo keke for so ni na so say
before so baby sa question ma me to chema Andy US
okay
of US by now unfortunately otia e get pa wantimi amma show no so o se okoye nyame adom a obesa aba into obanko ande and no wife itu chema my wife o ma me signal of Virginia Virginia
yeah
Virginia yeah one of my teacher paper
any Michigan
Michigan and I Massachusetts
yeah Meche wan shushe Massachusetts
yeah Zini
kan ma ko ba ko America for ka samu titim sa America for Massachusetts da bi
enya mashe
o kan bom
masa o de ka masa
Massachusetts kan bom Massachusetts
enya shu
ayi mok
masa na chu
na bi buza se keke
it was you Massachusetts na kan wi anza
na wa ko kenke su
David we
udi afi wa ko kenke su
tete yi anu free one
obedi obeko
Massachusetts ni
Chinese for ko okro monti bro for so monti kro ni America Chinese for okro o monti mo kro
me ka bro for e kro ni di nam se bo me ka se ka bro
me bo mama me sa na
say den abeko nya na so beko US e bia di tuma
na se dey say bia na do so bia ti ko na scan mai
Dabi untimi ngosa afi no mu bie tourist
because India no se my
tourist visa ni ade na afi no mu bie oh yeah se unni busuani bi ho no mo asebe oni ne wo ekita ho de bia ho hia yie fa nya de a ho be mo akonya
oni ne wo da call pa
yeah oso busuafo ko we kwadodo na ahwe ikira kwa hu
o de mo busuafo de o mi na ya active
Kellen
Texas we ya ma Makola African so
de aka no
yeah Makola de
African shop
Meti Africa.
Sa le tro from.
I'm some maso na have you.
There be sa
maso ye papa. That you make sure maso.
Africa na buy na babu mani agusu.
You know you be better than Africa.
Oh yeah, so obi gan obi ya. Say ya. We
tomorrow I want to sit here again.
Me show me mu ana.
Baby too far, wait too far. Me confused.
One of Africa mo to from. Na me program bu mani agusu.
Na me say me kojima ho me aba na.
We fa say
fini. Ogi happy me say na me so me tim baby din.
Fire if you are that.
Na Africa am the other.
Yeah, no na fu. Kwaku.
They say you made the niece manum cry. My chaju Africa. Ya mpakawa ebeko jeko munyin su ba kumre no.
Kwaku. Yeah.
Over there. Over brand benzo brand ben.
I don't go better mo obi ada.
And I'm saying there now, okay, they hon kokoro na hu ti.
So they na hu kokoro. They kokoro ye bebre.
There na hu kokoro.
Enkrofo dey kokoro.
Enkrofo ben.
Dabi kokoro pan de obi ani se kokoro sa kokoro de. Why dey no kokoro na kokoro sa.
Yeah, the two na ekutu.
Belarus. Huh?
In Pebia.
And I wake up in the morning.
I want you enough for
open one for life.
I didn't go for. Open your bay you. Bay you behind you be a music bay. But just I heard banana open my embrace. Sir. Obi
na me see me the video bi cry o dey me better years here I feel papa ensem na resisi for me
say papa ya no e speaker ya na no wan yi network konwen utumi se nye age na abiti na ka den akon be ma no akọ ne mpre no so ni video bi buy before say on beto aba na video bi buy o si Africa mu a okurakura ka ni si ya okurakura mu ya please from jamafo ni boss onom so e de enwo oh ya de hardware
Africa hana ye no ata chedodo afu na say boys buy some yes can person ya de na who say young boys
obani enya sa unim se ukọ me Germany ni Europe na me hu sa de ne kakra so be hu sam best mo tion fe ekoba na kwa akohwe na nye takifo bia omo no omo nya sika bone a oni ye o akohwe na pensioni a akokura poso eso omo no the pensions sika no nya ve no di beja ne na
one family
ka na ba so mo no na di otwi no de ko no akwaje mo no tia to ko ka mo no tia
otwi bensi na ewu
otwi ewu ezo Ghana aso na ba akokura otwi ka fu
me ko ni se da kokko bisa bensi bo about 3 weeks ago me feel like
I was Silver
yeah book off no pay dey from take you for say for no a restaurant one of the call on cook beside them kwakubo na ye bo no there's no way we are more Ghana ha ubetimi ato
any secretary ya
udi possible
say ayi for
Anthony omo kan hu bizu na akro no adozo
say ayi for so de ba ko antia no so me kobo achi ayi BMW for yi X1 X3 series no na me share starting price no and not to say we share
na kazi ya omi advert o daily graphic I'm so quick sale ni na me feel say bia me fa number no na me friend wan say o me trick out that change me say tell me say monthly installment na dia o me ko bi say
down payment now be ye no ansa na dia kan kwa wa ye
ansa na no e busumi bia no antu akra be 5,000 na so busumi na ahia na say woni di
mani di man twelad be sa 40 years crap hence this cannot ends me need you kwaku me man school be my date here sa 40 years
also nya hwe o do umpie kwa so dem
skabia benya bia on fanko ma still 40 years let me
serious party it is na o na hwe na man hisesi anu asesem na afefo na esa na feel
area bi krom post ka for so kwa dey okoko be pa
mata jai
kwaku won kwan wade nyina nyame wo ebe yie kwaku say your cop ayi saito no near brebo from I don't know about you people they speaking of English oko saito
me no manya foundation dada
Tanzania na bude be pretty school na beko
me no enkola abode semti ene yi medine de me yes say
no na me ka sem bi say me be me de se be ma no bete brofo mu ntitwi since some betty tree baby no want bro
and me feel na can say na ka just say
that tell me pa I'm just being petty you we are Ghana and I'm a proud African but because yen developing our language is not developing kwaku try say obo letter o twi mu o computer so na beto samia o de okofia you say na o twa letter akoma
na me kra twi book kra me kan kra bra me am kra me pani bra mbre
I don't stop them from speaking tree o so ka twi won ka twi but o hu brofo mo a because brofo ye bia ye twi no enya hwe enya hwe ogwaku wako to de okromo aduane bia twi won da say bia aduane kra ya ye no okromo
all products aye organa ha ya nya kra brofo ne atro
yentro igwe yentro
sa no mum de enya because we unim say the other day na me kare uko Europe ahụ
yeah
omo aye such that omo pese omo a language unim say aya na du ba bi kwa me say we dey deliberate ade na nkrofo mo ya na omo timi ye product aye very good wo be hwe no na languages na ya list wo be hwe French wo Dutch wo be hwe na Italian wo ni enso unya English wo mu da enso nkrofo mu no ma no omo nya English so on be ye language is 5 na English nim product bi by how dey Bofu ya na be run
because Peter's pa na makosia morning star foi the youngsters kwagu omukasa mitimi nkasa mitimi yokomza ni manu bon wo classroom
oh kwame
na okokasa na okokwagu we see you profu we do some ba from one akrom timi kapiji nyina o omo afi akra ha ba kwagu e wo from wonyum timi kapiji
na viji ne kanu so say o
on timi nka
kwagu
ah really
na oni esi chede hunu gari
o the idea sa Ako kan they went a PG papa. I they went a PG papa.
PG the program sa wo mu.
I can.
Ozo they za.
Se udru be na enkofo sit down we dey jira so no pe wi anya say dance na fu.
Cash no.
Yes.
O se ne nanu yi ere mu oba ku bi.
O be pege so sisi ya.
3 months kra man na ko heba bia dan na du na ho. E akono keke se. Na wo hwe o de a.
Na no
wo di mfie.
Ko fa industry na me say papa we di ntro akire me papa. Na papa esi da bo na okoye footings no be 5 years. No nko na me say na da wo den no say footings dey be say gina pa say so to kusu be 2 years. Na me go for industry na me ko mo nche ho. Ayi si abansoro. Me fa obe 3 months ya me ko fa wo yo. Me ko mo chie ko mo bia me kan. Abansoro ye si free me kom. Ayi industry area onya say. Na say na wo boa. Babu across of folk the winning team. Say they bring you dua and you dey nam. You so money a show ni a show. Na na gusu ayeye. Na me adom enra etimi ewini ye. A just say eye anije sempa ema team no. Coach no me bona baso. E dey say owovim. And I like the way the bio kasa or appreciate fans. The bio ontimi kasa na no nsia. Ha supporters no from di embamu embamu baso say umu nyina from kra ne umutumi enter team na chi. Sa de no ye no koso ye ne sa ebeboa. Kwa ku say table no as it is no ye to sumienu na ayame de pa ba bi ye da no mepe just a league ni e monwie but say wo ben so wo sa no a the probability so betumi asok up ni mu no e more kwa ku mi ka say wo tuma say nti yan koso enkonkoden
so obi say asem na ye ka no ye talk in cash na financing what Maza, we know what we are talking about down here. Why? And yeah, hot the end here. I crew assembly. Maza,
adako twimami ya anu wan fiu bia ko fiu bi
twimam Mrs. Obin
fiu bia wan be fiu bi aban bia ni ho company bia no be fiu
your friends say asembisi na mama me ye kura me refi hwe ye ndwin ye enipa ho kakra
okay
okumu ana enipa bi ahye ho bone dodo
empanifo ndwin ye ho ana sese
ye yankasan kasa ye ho especially on our roads. Kwame re Saturday na nwumre.
Yeah.
Be say 11 more babies are on the motorway.
Yeah.
Car me sure say be Uber. Say so whatever. I say Kia morning ni bi.
Kia morning.
Silver color bisa. And we di many on the motorway. Na me koto na me say me sign no. And osan bar this side. And on so ku sign car no wa head no. And na me relax man no. nti okọ ya say car no we later na me say ba ye kono ye approach track bi oye so ku sign track no no enu hu say motor rider bi so enam sa side ho na ho so e overtake track no instead say obeto no boss ye ma motor na kọ awie anaso obeye say kwame mani ba me ho so no na between the motor no and the track no wa form ntem say and want to fa car no ko drag track no it ness odi yi motor no motor no so nyese bi okada fo bi onu kwa hwe eye ultim say company e dia ye branded box ni bi si e sure the delivery massa chese me can't jack not their drag
almost that
right now not because it was night and I could see sparks of a fire motor ni shoot from and to my greatest surprise the guy did not stop. Ow! I couldn't stand me chasing minim there eba me mu I chased him
wow chasing the chasing
oh yes and I make a sign me sign on me starting say me slow down nanim na opeso fa this sign so sign kono ma san ba ho enti ada car bi oba no so hu ye
so from la wa
ono so hu ye enti ono so ba no ono so ye ya nanti ye gina afi na oni option bia and he stopped at my back na so on see for more e kwan so and we see from timi see e kura no so massa why are you doing this obi ba so we pray on here help you are just running away why are you doing this
and run
I feel saying I didn't know say what happen guys not 4 guys na tika no and no back or back you see us maso oboa oye na me ka chance on ye careful no de bebo moto no bebo moto wan mura
obi tika ni ma
remember for na tika no and they were all attesting to the fact say omo ka chance obebo moto no bebo moto wan mura na ode ball no afede onkono ko atene no say ba say unim say moto we no so mitimi reverse nko on mitimi say machine ko na say massa then you will have to walk there and go and assist the guy ko find the fan hospital on person obeko and guys nka de massa besimi nko ne ko boa no na ye wo a and ko bi ye say be ye ode and me catch and say me call ahead na akaka krabi ashama ai under bridge one na adnisi na say me call ahead na me do baby a police for to ho na me ko catch because we police case say police for bam
na so funny details in the crampo
chale me ko do police me bi o me can just on asana me can say like en fan ko ku me say I am akoma yasa me ko da na dream I was still thinking about the rider say what is going to even happen to this guy
me
den suban na editu ndi ya nwi ni pa on kakrampo
na ni mo ya na me betu moto ni ayika abono mo je free mu basa mo je basa pipe na me ba mani na me do piece of for na police form yensa me no to come ba ko jira bonte no mudi nkobo na me ko park finish station na wona me cross ko ese akwa bi da ho awu kwaku me tele jina ho be me mo mu kana
just me catch police no crowd say me I say okay just
I dey o mo hu sa ma bre
no ba na ma kuma ya me say me ko die I was thinking about it only people be a say
didn't mind me
said ya kwa moto ni shedin hwe pan won kwame on the motorway
abo wa hwe de kwaku da person bebre yen kasa bebre motorfo no ye pe yen pe they are also road users
yeah
ye pe yen pe obi wa abufo bi ma okada they are drivers like that me ma hu obi a tibi say we dey o seda ye make so ka so pan so sa it is so say no bo kwa to nchen
I say nyabotre whom say they can be annoying sometimes but say nyabotre
but I think say nipa
yes and you now so na bad I mean and I would say and for so na nyaba no nipa na bona ebia ne team be na ni player or the cowboy just say na policeman Adriana stars a guy ebia dey see you ebia ka that point or assisting anka police ni pokura hu won adnanya bona wie dia just go and attend to the person ask this no say hospital cry na bibi cry then you are running away you are going as if say you see akwari be wu efa no ho mi wa wona wa bona to kwa
da chi bia so betua ho
kwa ku bia mi musa me kwa sore ba chi di say woni bia obenya so aketua me life with principle be na bia se no woni bia obenya so aketua beba kwa ku na me mount table ne say wodi moto yi ba ya kwa da wodi kuma se asante kotoko oda so with 45 points.
Yes, the club of the century. And Liga, yeah, ball Ghana has so on my team. I am not one Samra. And then Nipaya Dios, I am part of the table here. The table here, the phone Samra the cup. The table.
Club of the century, yes,
If you are say away. 7 krediasa akoko a oni America ni di suja akoko nini oni America oni di suja
maka wantimi aye wada nchesi obayi ase onyano eno ayeyi
akoni di oni America
no dia oba no ano so no ho pese ba no onwane wo ya no atwasa
baby o boa
akoko de wo yes o be run pe
opam no ba mienu na afi de
ono kra no adodore no no ba no kra no still no oye part of mo yi
Suban
obetwa you tenants
ate be kan de chianza
iti makwa menti ase se eno awin no mu win no eno nkyere se eno ano no se no a me fie eno obetie kotokoko menti ba lock
okudi aso mba ko metwa me apon ma tia kotokofo ate
yete kana wankra me yire kura no osesa ne ma ya wo na akure
omo se ma nije pa
so ti ase
hata police
obi a wa sheda ba
ama me ne ma me se me twa ma chene pon a ma use ete me de ne ma ko fie gaga
ase me create
use iwi ase we nipa da ze need me to mame na wasore me boa currency wo ha ese afole wo ha ese wo asa geni ne strength
Ghana de geni
but sebe obema kura wadi itimi sane form ewumu a ebe sorry wadi ase ma de nko na nyatigu a na atiegu amintade asante kotokoso enye sebe ema mpukua enra anko yie no na kona anko yie kura no pani yenya 1 point
draw de
wadi ase okwa away
asa draw yanka because ka haso fogwa be pam
debi muntimi mpa ya ho because still any 2 points ka
na point ya
Ankebeka 1 point
points different here 2 points
Ankebeka 1 point per but the person oti ase ni say enkechi oti ase
enkechi
se liberty open liberty be co relegation
entinya botre
enye kumasi asante
ko kwame na ozu hu na che onu aba no
oh baby
osi baby
so ti ase se liberty be co relegation enye kotokonsa no go ka team ba ko a eba Ghana abua Ghana football by Liberty Professional enti so mbe ko relegation kra nye ne ye hye omo ko relegation ne kwa say draw ne no boy na ye pa dabi ye nye hwe
ko beti se match so dey say nko na ma fo
meba no na meba so
say nko abaye selling
obani
bi aduru ba yes
no
asema meba no manyanto ase aba table ne so asema me wofu na no ho
bajai
yanko yanim
Messi Liberty be ko relegation nya kotokonsa no enra ye kotoko yesisi ye but yes here can hurry yes a clean goal am a referee offside menya to wase ahwe highlight no ball na nya offside na ebrebia ye ball league na
referee
e ball league na be ka 10 matches am ye wi a oba no na team bia won kra ha asase stress ankrofo na boy die nim because bare 4 consecutive matches a opening crofo we mu enya good results nyina no enkrofo wo referee ho asem ka na no betem die sei na o senka has keeper odi red card obi o betem bia ka ho asem eso amaso
we dem twa no yese referee ko di ya ni elimina no so aba pache wo oh ese why mistake
and ade o ye unim say ball ne ball Emina Sharks player na beti ena oje penalty no oje esanse na nye penalty papa enti no ayi player na ebo penalty no keeper ni move yi eno so wantimi anye
e bia na that day no ref no is not office right full mind
ayi linesman na page flag
was go say timi sisa they just like us
obedi linesman page flag say on some man penalty was fatu
ono ka Facebook wa betro ho say sorry na ebisi
eno de agent nsem ball ne agent nsem to be frank with you but agent nsem nyina no we mo ne beneficiaries as of
we ye dey adani referee ko fa na
you na mo win match no
ye na nya penalty ye na nya penalty keeper kra pie ye just be na wakata me no still ye ho san bo say
nipa na ball na betinti nipa na ball na betina o de wo say waye ayi ode ne nsa ball penalty mu a wo so bi a man yellow card no e wan say nipa foforo no man red card and about 10 against 11
something was wrong with the referee
and anytime guys some money beneficiaries no because o show omo e be 10 against 11
something is wrong no
it was at your benefit no the goals we scored had nothing to do with
at your advantage
about 10 against 11 only time mo second goal 10 against 11 na ma fa wan show omo an say referee synchro zema wan fa wan say goals we scored
ana mo share ni an
twi we dey MF so na makan o say afi nko a
Obeni Augustine Smart na
dabi we dey efiri me we fie yi akuapem brother nchen o say
man so asend me
afi nko a kwame obade ano afom ahanum aduase aduasia awotwe
wabodampa
that is 568 afe no enko na wiye no na watwam opipidu
abi ni okọ ni
welcome brother
ene kwa ma nya de na
fingerprint
okay
Ejikwaku league ye boy mo ehia na afa so 5 na
ba openi ye be sem penim for say league no wutum say nya covid na ke excitement no ka e ba pa what you say eti ye sira kakra na aka no mo nse no matches na aka no because the oye ya o patch we wa patch all right professionally no me ati ase say o mistakes what akwatia mi na sha papa imu in fact no bank yi ni ne nyina na so aye she what you say na ni team izo de gigi na ni zo a o bank na no mo besisi no e ha dream bebre Obeni
nti abasa match commissioners no ntia na onye de
masa no ye nya bobo no wo park no so wi a points ni kodi ayi nkan voi wa wo
na o de ye bi ma o de bia o de ye bi ma nkan fo be o
ekita de fu
ada points ni ekita
o so mo show wi o ma bi o mbeshi so dia se bo no nya mistake nya ba ni nya show wi a ye ni won ma ka beti ase what you say yes so it's part of football e ha dwen pa na ke ye agaye ni VAR but enanope
sade no ne boy dia
enanope na dankoki ebo ye suggestion bi say wo de ni VAR no ye say aho kire ne ma kura kono mo kra no fu what you say start times wo mu obi van isi park isu a wo de e track na live eti bi ba kra na referees wo hu ni ya na lines man na hu ni ye na chinje kakra wo obetimi arahye kra akọ
and 30 minutes o
ni 30 minutes o da bi o mu yi so o mu yi ni live o mo replay o ka so replay o just a key
ti
o be si so bi age 3 points for
that replay ade no no yes ronko
different from that no use
and then to cut ade na oberene I say we mu swimi ade na ka say won
ade kwa ku so ka champion for say yem pesika enkoto ho wan machine ni
ya na o yes scoreboard go ayira you say ye di changing board o mo di bi o ma na nse ya ni ye
omunya ba ku bi a ye di sa
di one ni
first no mo church
oh there be no omo the numbers na no dey ashisha no no bi na no mo use
e dia grow wa
enye easy easy hard dream
kokoro me mo num na edi kana Asante has Karela FC na Mediama na fe Great Olympics so at the fifth omo aka dey omo chia na oba se opa na internalize kin face a liberty kan go for na obi anya ya obekọ
abani message ole mi ni Ephraim Tiamfo o say Mr. Edmond, if you don't pay the 50 cedis you borrowed, we will forward all your messages from your girlfriend to your wife. Your last one. Network in make my head. Na come here say go mo bonus.
Come na tuatua da.
So you so this cable because
say mama number.
Also me check problem problem be.
Come na tuatua da.
Kwaku ayi excavator ya yeshi ase o masa start to the more crowd the o kan nya o wan jere amfani
no David o yan ka se wan be
na opani una wuri ni play call I dey from excavator
say etio abakasem na ho no abakasem na ho no ba ku ye o twetwere yankofo ko sai
o be na panimpa na ni mu onyam anopetutu
abasa bi emu odu che o de
oba be jeko
obe patch wa besre
o de momfama no nti this time de emeka fie ena wakọ hu dwato a ena o ma kire mu say omo
ade almost $400,000
o masa $400,000 no $10,000 and so mo nche nsuo ne yensa ase no mo say no tie de wo mu ni say omo zone ye forest ene ye nsuo nso say ho ye red zone
okay
red zone enti obi a wo ye adwuma obi a jai ya ma hu notice
na fa machine ko
necessary on your free ho o ma hu notice etu wo a mba beto o start operation so o kan say e beto a ye be hye no
so the intention is not to bend them but o na ya so
on system free so say be ya ye nsuo na asay na e betimi ma ani ate for some time na o so o say kwa ye nsuo e betimi break na fe o manya ntobase na ba bia o mutu e beboa o man ni nyina ne o mo ankasa no ya mo kwa kutu sa de no ne bi no so ntia
ya so mo de machine so ba mo de
champagne no
da bi ba ko be mo de dwimi agum kwa no ko mo san se no
and so any bibi on babeto no baby on
once you are the site in Kwame they benefit
both alcoholic and non-alcoholic will free no so you fall say nyina ko
no one shine na say ne omo shine ma wo ye de
and e gold kura ho mbefa ni nyina
e de akọ
I know ho akontabuo de me nte ho asem da
but me de na be kan say ade ane bo eso bo sa no I didn't see it in his
Debbie, ne boss soon was also the engine also the coding.
Omani here, Kwaku.
Omani here,
anybody you got tap.
What do you pay me and family Messifi? I fake Croman say, Mammy Cano Crencho, no crew Croman say. Opa Udi Bonia, Pisca, throughout the better mansion.
Okay.
You need the power of my discus, out to no master until proving guilty by
a court of competent jurisdiction. Yeah, come on,
Cabrani, can you come? I say, you sent your mom and correct after night. As Obi, we are back up dance homes is yan and Nahuna and Pumpunya Cropacha. What I say, you net the Yenim said he lost in his year, Juma. Omo me ade nyina abugina po ye minister onye lawyer omo nim say the system ni si we say ade na nya ba fie say kim obi abeje ana ukoje say aban de nsa to so a aban we na de nsa to so aban foforo ba obi ni say so nti brebra mama ni ama no bani wom say odo na sisi for mo a
Obe ma ba kase
om say o benefit bebre because say for
blood circulation
yeah no be say Ghana ha de onu otin say futu na na adwen say na no pod ne nan business form na o say ebinom comment omo pass here no nwan to was ya trotro we so pie ya we dey bodam for fresh
I feel that start
we dey to za no pa we ya na
etia faso
obi say ebe we pe obi so nice boy pa o no obi say boys aba mpa dwuma wa hwe yes get dry no obi say tramo ni jimi Ordinary nancy, by roadside, comments kakra wa fa one of them.
Brilliant, like us a free mile. I brand here did the course South Africa. We said team Papa the Obo, as I'm twice. And to say team there, that did also share a coach that a comb in there. Coach that the other to the comb in there, Kotoko M1, where they buano. And you said you had successfully. I could be in the corner, so we'll be in South Africa there. Which you say one of
said you we know the plus at us when just successful. We see on TV and do. We say
I don't go Canisia quatro. Or man say a young woman. I don't go Canisia.
If you are sneaking bizarre. Okay, South Africa, we are praying. I mean, Japan about 1 year.
Net care no internet. One of the best hospitals I work South Africa.
Best for no cry now. Baba ya weche Kofi. Okuya no pa kama bo be 4-5 dan na zaji no. Kat bi obi.
Oda was what? We come point ya mo. How do you say oro? Dia ne ko net care.
Ka je say mi me yi anwumre bi.
Linsford Hospital kwa na ofiri ho abesa baga na ha ba beto
oh me de man nwe ho
odi aseda kese na ma ha so folk team ni nyina ane management nkanka ane togu a odi potom sika
enye togu
togbe odi ne potom sika ne ko togu odi cha se ade esi oni
odi ko togu kene togu na we re
ko togu
ko di kaka togu no wona nu wa Tomedi player ni go Togo na correct.
E kwa pin brother fa ba ku kan wa. O da bi menya na so e kwa pin brother fa ba ku kan.
Enya story bi abi.
So o kan no form no.
Enya story bi abi.
Kabe to aso ya.
Ko kuna India say mo ayedin na omu hu a na omu si omu nsuo mu.
Imu ayedin da.
Enti omu river bi Ganges say tani e fe no. Ganges. So geographic akra.
Now the river be na be no baby.
Oh, that be Ganges they are very popular in India.
Okay, cool.
Say I say obi wu a COVID na kunu no. Na omo de na ko se omo ko sie no nsuo ni mu. And nsuo na wash bodies ni na baby go abonten. Intema police for ni bo force say there video na na me hwe no kita kunti ankasa. Ye ka sim pie na upie wo se wo de boss akraman. Anya yize kwaku. Omo de kunti shikra yi say bia say hamona na wa pie abonten a omo hye no person mo hwe okra ku. Eti yanso a enya meduru ha second wave ni nyama ana yenya second wave wave man ye second wave
yeah
and second wave ni ye pa
na me ni ye di ni ye pa
but still opani am ye club ni ade no still
na biti em say opani okọ ne yard mu wona e ho no protocols no when disu me ye fenti eno na ya wo hu ana
anti on said that me hwe ikromi
ode my update no but krumu de na nkasa de menye sure so ya wesa
cause max go for jazz
because who say we can no obo Ghana for ba so say we comply to all the protocols but protocol omo Saturday we make call ayi boss for so say one why kwame ni pumping kuma kuma ba me kono how many nimze me ma hweme face mask kama am nimze me kodu ba bia wo hweme sane ade the other wash so sanitizer then nothing any problem nyina obia no face mask just say no so mu say it have na I say me to my order ba bom ya me bedidi asa na me yi ade na I mean it opani kan your obo Ghana for aba so say omudisu and am man
he na ko hwe
say jama
ogina he fa
you wanna de na
France house
ha de na me say o de any updating kakra
because say anhwe ya by December the Ghana food na isu bicycle because you see food price never say akosuru bi
ebiem but so
no am tetting from mom say ahwe abesa
ko omonhwe no munye hu bibi and say anope awie yi me yi no me ye go afo yi na me ka hwe baby anka first me to 200 ka ba ku baby etimi bi no tank isu maza
me dey 3.0
me say hey
kwa me probia to me ka na man 2 per car
we say me toy no and 200 na me toy no
so so condition na anyu so be je
half tank
kwa kuna say we ibo say we condition dey how be so
half tank na say anka first inka 200 me to anaka kakra bi na dey say ka ayema half tank
me dey say ababai man musu kakra
oh Debbie
yes I'm sure you better kosu bi but only just say nkofo be panic buying so mkoto petrol sie ukoto tank
o koshe o ko fa ko si fie na ko shu fie
akoto petrol fie Cristiano Ronaldo ade bia wo ye no amanfo yam hye say ahwe yi na oni Juve awie de che say o be ba kro bia so a o cars we say boy no ye fan of cars meaning so follow that of the cars power cars aboden
Send the back on so Toma mine.
Exactly. Now, you say, and Romo one who said, car, the cars and buy. I can't no answer. A moment to come, your mama car.
Company, and yes, it's sad. But Hana 90 say, my crowd,
cappuccino crime,
and I make on say, temple or offer flight, no, in the because I can't see crime society, no, almost at the crown, no, offer flight.
Otra a pega now, Oko, and one say, we are the rest of whom. Why are bumping you on a quite a mattress? There you are, Miss. Me and Adubia. A quine nyina no. Za bumpy stubborn ones no. It started from Asamatan for you. Aye. Unya bu obi say na call ni wie ya yes obum na ba ko na we come. Who say sometimes I oba na oba your na hwinu on dey na ujeja na nti. First one no hit ni wie pe na fi why steady. Na dey aka ni na dey say
promise was
your baby I mean your baby wa abruchi your baby and yet to say on highway this speeds are no compute omo baby a we reduce speed until you get to that point
new one here
and why you kaka
paradise so okọ wedim kakra
if you side
if you come there this what twam you
you better not the Bentley for
say you
better not the Bentley for side no
there
Bentley better not for
say I am here
I mean CSD for man nyina
ade o ma ye den
so no o ware ya won hu be ma
no so if you know
any Pentecost na ho ya na abuso Methodist na ho
say e bone
ya na abuso Methodist na ho nkramosum nyina wo mu sen onware ya
na prekus wo mo we o
preko na mo pe so mo nyina we so ka bia ya we no kra pe bia ya o mo tira mo ba bia me ya de sa
Abani na oka ayi Judas bia o say Cristiano Ronaldo be free way
no nie we ka so na ya park no
ene ma me fa we nto aso e na Chelsea for so ehuna mane amafo twa atwetwe om na watwe wie na pani un say omo two ka finals a che say FA Cup final na no money Leicester City na boy Leicester for e show mo wa ena omo under 18 so omo Premier League bi omo ball England under 18 also Fulham for show mo 3-0 na watwe wie ya omo ma
no ya
Champions League final Barca for show mo 4-0 ena oba Ghana ha brekum Chelsea wa asoso no eno Interlies for so che wo mo show mo 5
edi Chelsea no
enti ma Chelsea for ya ko
edi ewuru weekend we pa
Now come someone sacrificing you for the Champions League. See.
Ja omoboa.
But once me anyisa, amasa any Champions League be happy pa.
Omoboa.
Fans be job papa.
Omoboa enye better sa. Enye better kra.
Ah usu Chelsea be lose.
Oh mean to say on be lose but enye better mo sa.
Enye dan those.
Debi. Enye better mo sa.
Oh yeah, yan fast like say ma in boost herbal mixture aka police nino edru no. Patrol pebi. Nemboa na immune system no ne ho nya den bare.
Price. Me chom say enye edru aboga ntimi nto.
Oh Debbie, na say ne boy nya den.
Ne boy no so your manager.
One bottle and do 20 cedis. Ne boy nya den.
You know. We pebi akasa mutobi bre.
Ne boy nya den sa. Ne boy nya den.
We dey work with you na oni sika kra me.
To be we are packaging fine fair ne box.
Pako say ma hwe obefire because ne wo hu say ma hwe me phone so saa na osore no miensa ewo Australia no wo hwe show no tinanya brepa
Pako best
yenye very careful ha.
Okay etima sanka imbus eba meche bi na emwa na immune system no ho nye den se be ya say infection bia
na me bona homa mu
okay
say ayi gagen shots mama chere say edroni ye papa o say nansen na ne ho nye ni oh yes o so onu maduro o hu nsakra pa nti oni papa na kasa na so ene on fa number mama na me so me bona homa mu no so enkran ne mpota mu nyina de wo no de bibia shots na me say obeni say uton bibidro ni yeso di bi kwa ma no ni nyina
oh yeah
and I know ayi honum tem na tre hona obi hu na jayi oni jayi na ba na mso da bi eh o de aduro be manya bi da bia
ambassador
ena make say so yesu ni
edon de ye pa
ye penin for to akatua no penin de ono afa ne ho adwo
oh da bi tie we no o say me de boa mansan
ba fi okweso no so sa ukbedu no o de akoje ma mi o ye kokomle sa man kokoya okwanji fu ewe
eti imbuze ba me chande said there when can me am di one that because me say no na eboa me kakra no bia na ade na chese abusuafo ni na no bi abusuafo wa bruchiri na said o mo kai say me di bi komo mu antiwe no enya dance group mu edo ni eduro pebi no na wo so ebe your fine pa what I say King's Walk o kanshi dragging o kwa obenya bi Ekus Pharmacy with Dama Pharmacy Tribe of Judah Pharmacy oko tinatet your friends saying herbal shops I don't need dependable herbal shops ni name wo my fa na ba bia ebi ho na wajibi oko health alert shop was in Jones ebi ho Little George Health Shop ewo committee 5 tema ebi ho yes our phrase 0243 115 948 and our 0246 496 now on Sonsa account there. Royal Drinks, I'll see you go like them. We another quality product Efikasa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and a Royal Cocktail. We don't the perfect flavors now, Uhiano. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal Drinks in so many flavors. Just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Now available in a shop near you. Yes, I don't know. Now our friend 0262 351 251 of 0272 133 373. Afe as they do encore Emma Go TV and they Go TV catch your 80 hour. I say the final stretch of the football season with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak is finally here. Say the amount for breaky, amount for what but you need to stay connected on Go TV. Now what me I enjoy captivating moments on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, and their canina. While brow standing by your team until the very end. This is football worth watching, and you can't afford to miss it. Connect it from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. While brow using my Go TV app, while witness the thrilling finale of the first of its kind football season this May. Go TV, love it. Afia busuya shewe nsuma me ene fortune rice just like moms omunim what to do in every situation ene you can trust any of the fortune rice brands for all your rice meals for every occasion. Once a movie on my own why stubborn and soon one giant tranta near the baby na I say gassy and I want 3 years where you say money no do so tell you so time for baby na I done I rice water Someone can move to so you. Nah, I'm nice on way you. But fortune rice there. It needs just a little water. Just a little water. And so ka creamy and the good fortune rice hono. Meaning we grains, you know, and stick it together and come boom and I said the udi betri mutuno there be. And the aroma and any taste so there. Wow. Tim say yes, delicious. The more day yankasapa. So if you are thinking of cooking jollof and now fried rice and now a be a mutu be now person or run there. Abusia. Every rice dish be our prepare piano. Think about fortune rice. Go for fortune rice and prepare it with fortune rice. Nabuns and pa. What make it the right choice? Your fortune classic and no any green no. And your fortune delight and no any orange no. And your fortune delicious and no any red pack no. So get yours now and you won't regret it. Yes, fortune rice always on point, just like mom. Pepe. And once some more, and no.
Jogging 여자, 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자. 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자. 그런 반전.
Also praise God, Jerry. Please help me wish my mother, Mrs. Hannah Entry, aka Auntie Ama Amwakwa of Ashaman, Lebanon, Dam Site Assembly of the Church of Pentecost, a happy birthday from all her children and grandchildren. Also, little Lois Hannah. Haba Dako from Ideal Assembly of the Church of Pentecost, Tema 25, celebrating her birthday today as well. From Elder Counselor Emmanuel Obeng.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
Last week here wrong, that was Friday. Patrol be phone lines need to be bisa man for questions kakra. The following people, Patrol, more free na yending komo is here. Gloria, Afe Philomena JC, Ofre Mekaisa na meyo Philomena Kitenge, and Benis. Patrol, more friends is here na yending komo why. Yen line, Patrol, and yes, a motisa may announce phone lines need to maybe phone lines there be. These three people pay. And I'm say among friends is here now. Yeniomunim komo 0302216561 and 0302216562. Gloria, Flomina, Jesse, and I feel Benis. Most uncle for me and Sampe, and I'm on fresh is here. Right, and I'm asking. A happy birthday, though belated, and come out my twin cousins. Debbie and Diana Hagan as they turn a year older yesterday. May their new age bring more blessings. From Rashida in the UK. And special greetings going out to Royal Diadem. Abusha Funina, workers Linda. Yamen come home. Namon Koswa, Namon Wedjuma. It mean our Oyamizano. Ghana for Monja, Bodi was re. Bodia Oko. I was going to say, no more titty and sounds right. Cash be a Masania. All I do is 106.3 Adom FM, Ofie Kwanso. Baby, I do there. Just a minute, now, Fian Fadiaka and Twaso.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Got to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can.
drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huading.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Kasian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep pinti. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jedi and Kratui Maja to Musay.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
one of the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
Mommy, today I'm upset.
With me?
I love you, Mommy, but it's my rice. It looks and tastes the same. There's no difference.
Let me tell you the difference, dear. Royal Aroma has introduced fortified rice that contains iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12. Which means the new Royal Aroma fortified rice may look and taste the same, but it has added essential nutrients.
And that's the difference.
More, show me high five. Naturally fragrant grains, great taste, and added nutrients. New Royal Aroma fortified rice. Ayemawu aniwo busia. This advert is FDA approved.
Say, Minia. Na rahusa eda na ha
Kwame me ne mebusia fo wa mane hunu kese mu me bank edi me hwamobio sisia na waka kyerem se wo ma me bosia me pedi eri yan adwuma no bank kan ne so ejinsu ho a eye twamene bo
nka wasa wo ka we kyerem dada ma me come for Societe General Ghana ma o sa bosia we wo beti no te sema pe SG Ghana Bank nkunya na ma me ne ya atumi ahwe mo free school fees ho nsem asan bie yankasa adwuma kakra yi wa ye yensi kasem ahotoso e wa ho hi nyamre
no kre
se bosia na ho hia dia ene SG Ghana Bank Bribia, or mammy see one from cry. As I mammy bra, me betua, and mammy one it's me poco drab was me using. Minia, Ofata Bankia, who bet me at GD, now don't want to so. The other was soon at your Societe General Ghana, any day your power sitting in woman who you name, the Mabusia, your power, not a who's who from cry. Koyan Krabate, Diana, my UBM, but you will see some homework. Societe General Ghana, that's in your one casa. Santo, a baby, you could on Sabosumi, and the Tosuduncia, I think Pimian and Yunubaku.
Yo, Johnny Jr. Hey, Mercury Quay. Charlie, with team you this support. Charlie, I beg, hold on with the team. Hold on. See, the atmosphere is charged for rivalry and fun. Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, Liverpool, Dortmund, Manchester United, Barcelona. So everybody they ask, say, what team you there for or what team you be against? My buddy, rock your favorite club jerseys and join us live on our various social media handles at Hits 103.9 FM for this year's Rep Your Jersey 2021. As we watch the grand finale of the UEFA Champions League live on the gargantuan screen between the Blues of Chelsea and the Citizens of Manchester City.
There will be various activities such as video game competition, sports quiz competition, and many more. Saturday 29th May 2021. Bayview Village is the place to be, and the time be 3 p.m.
Charlie, this year's edition is strictly by invitation, so tune in to Hit 103.9 FM for a chance to win one. All COVID-19 protocols will be observed.
Rep Your Jersey 2021 is brought to you proudly by Hits 103.9 FM and supported by Joy Prime. Sponsored by Great Odds, you go feel 'em.
Hits FM, Rep Your Jersey 2021.
Eagle
is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month. Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our Keska. Then so charges some 380 cedis. What send this can kwa charges no. Wait there cement 10 bucks so. Me niati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne there. Tie. What send this ka was our network no so no. Yet what send this ka free with network no so akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum tie asem dead pa. What send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are you free? What's send this free Vodafone cash? I got network BR swap. And so you free. Masa into work catch them. What that's so you then was sour network and no so move for bra Vodafone cash says hey masa you chip not to ball musisi. I know say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial star 110 hash says in a send this.
Wow. Hope you have heard rent to own now in Ghana. The Flan City Extension Project Rent to Own Land and House Ownership Scheme by the Ningo Pram District Assembly and its partners, supported by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat, are right here in Ghana. So be smart because where you trade and live really matters. Apply now and own a home or a fully serviced land. Wait a minute don't forget to join our affiliate housing cooperatives also. Special offers last up to October 31st, 2021. Call us on 055 55 30 300 or 0577 911101 and 055 7054 635. Website newaccra.city. Plant City Extension Projects, shaping Ghana's urban future.
Charlie, with Bedborough Ghana, everything not double. Bedborough Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cash back in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, bedborough.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Bedborough Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Umami nyapanua ofumediano. Unya bemanua de bia ojina funso no. Hello, I'm Rosisia. Wo fase no ochiri bibia.
Da bio mempe, we de mitu.
Wadamfo no a, we ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola twato. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni wa na etwa ne di asesa. En Kenya braye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwade nkrato yato.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh, watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta, with the same refreshing flavors: muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Mensadia Michette Shremini Papa, me a tinka minya, and sign we a fenna hana, so dear, a hear me pa, and to mammy fra, and on me did sume ho, ain't in a magic BS, and now tum precope. If we say, a woman one would ra, ya frafra, Emma won near me nimpa, the sounds want to my kama, afibo, BS, samana, any kuntama, and that was wakomaso, Sankratway, FD.
I want to swaswomuno. Ghana for da adia bakwedi. Ayesenya yeshaya dase. Ye jibia emfa kwamutum. Nanso, potane ya baku. Kadwe wicho koma wa hodia. Wode beshe wodase. Ghana amamre kwanso. Every say, emfa ho baby a wobeko. Edano meri yeno. Ye nyina ne ye pane se. Ahodia ye de share sa eda fefe ase no. Ye benam so aswaba.
Shawodase Ghana amamre kwanso. Bibi edane du bedrubia. Ewa hodia wonye free kadwe wicho ko. Aye de Ghana koko papa bina ayenimu. FD ahwehwe se dwedin krato inu agiatum se.
Enemo ambe school nyina ni. Class prefect obiawe.
Say, one mo nyina yare o. Ya test am yehu se malaria.
Simu to 20 ene onwamati kopo. Na senya once na so odin foto me die fun echi kwa asamado no. Sanso na one that treated net mu a entuntum betumi awe wo mo nya malaria. One sha no odi kan wa asamado.
Say, nipa bebre aso den. Entuntum da ya hye na dro no. Wo mo na mo. Entuntum hwe wo mo. Na me die. Anadwo bi ya meda me insecticide treated net ase. Enti meda asunjue muli.
Dada na jo wo mia bebre no ano. Amanfo da treated net ase de si malaria kwan. Da won tontom dynasty de bia na dwomo ni nyina. Emfa baby a obeda. Emma bibia so nsi wo kwan. Good life, Abrabopa, Boniye, and Kaiboy Ghana Health Service, USAID, anyone aboafo and everywhere.
Hello,
hello, I'm a Yabueni. Yemo Jinkwa, when you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ane 10,000 Ghana cedis a big boss. Nanso ansana benyesike. This money bribika krebi the home mobile money number you swa. Mobile money pin number count. The what really at you sikano. I am simple crash.
Da wo hoso MTN ejumai form fro say tuesika anampo send the credit bia ansan wa bedia chedie bia wedie ansan obedi achedie bi no na wato ho akrade kai say won fa mobile money pin ema bia de bia da eye wasumasem se opemu no kra frɛ 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na wo mwa woni nkyiremu wobetumi so abamane e wo mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515.
MTN, everywhere you go.
I see you. Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? What will be man paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? What quality security doors? And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What will be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara usual. Sisiara, why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Jan Kane. You see if you are assassin river wooden here. What will be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054 27 45 222. So Highway.
You've been preparing for it. The final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry.
One of the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby.
Devastating heartbreak.
He didn't get the goal there.
And historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
I see you.
Quality security door in a new space. Why affordably? For Pobiman Paint Depot. And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? For one quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. For Pobiman Paint Depot. Paint to quality biara usual. See why you paint and pay later. It's just kakra. That's a 3 months. It's yankai. You see if you want something real wooden here. Pobiman Paint Depot. I will stop and see one time. 054-2745-222. So I crack Kumasi Highway. Pobiman Tobu to
Benjamin. Kweku. Nkwadai na wa he. Akwesi.
Auntie Maggie, I don't know what you move from me and potutu to say.
Pepesa waboa me. Na me de momo no. Amani sika.
Oh, Auntie Maggie Jaisa. Say momo aye easy cra. Obetimi afre wo momo. Eno an say obedial 170. That's all. Mami chiro.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo.
Hey, na momo yi ayem rese. Na de bia me kike mo friend kwadai. Chia. Afa.
Ma. Oh, friend.
The dada. I say na waba. Eye jai. Miamaye.
Oh, ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho udi be twa wo momu. Eno an say wo be frɛ 170. Na watie wo momu manu no e wa kan. Aigbe nkran. Brofo dagbani ani awusa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na the steps no so. Momo said ya openu bia. Frɛ 170. Ana dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
Ghana Numina had a boss.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM
106.3. This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
For your thinking life is over. I fall in a million times over. I get taken up by I'm a soldier. Destined to cry a river. Na 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 na. That life is over. I'm rising up a fade a mirror. Me function see and when I'm ready I salty soldier. Na 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 na. By grace or by force, I am making it all by force. I am shaking it, I'm not faking it, I'm not stopping. I won't pause. By grace or by force, I am making it all by force. I am shaking it, I'm not faking it, I'm not stopping. I won't pause. Na 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 na. Rap doctor, baby, see I come high to. Na 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 na. All in the streets make you come vibe. Na 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 na. If it's a jaja, be my boss. Na na na. By grace or by force, I sense the speed that I'm fed. Remember when mama left me, broken when I bet me, lonely without a family, na 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 na. And so I'm sorry, my tears will drop when I'm happy. I only cry when I'm happy. Happy, my joy won't be snappy, na 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 na. Sing if you're happy. By grace or by force, I am making it all by force. I am shaking it, I'm not faking it, I'm not stopping. I won't pause. By grace or by force, I am making it all by force. I am shaking it, I'm not faking it, I'm not stopping. I won't pause.
Missing rum pum 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 pum, shake like a bum bum. Trying to keep me down, but I roost like a phantom. Rum pum 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 pum, we near rubber pentum. Trying to make me better, but I'm sweet like tonton. Me sick of your bends, the yandia me numb from. Sick of your friends, that's when yandia me tap. Oxygen in my lungs, I got life, I'm grateful. Love in my life, so me can be hateful. Sick of giving you me time, soon I may see me. I put power my fancy, me and Nick, ya me did it. Shane Jeremy, oh, yeah, them parry me. I see gas, it's not funny, I won't tell me worry me. Rap doctor, baby, see, I come high to. All in the streets make you come vibe. If it's a jaja, be my boss. By grace or by force, I sense the speed that I'm fed.
By grace or by force, I am making it all by force. I am shaking it, I'm not faking it, I'm not stopping. I won't pause. By grace or by force, I am making it. Let me have you in my arms again, please.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
You know I still come through. Give me
All right, just gone by was at Tina.
Fishing on Shame Kwame. Yeah, baby. That's a good joint there. And into this one now, Forever Jackie on this one. MTN saying can't trust a free after one engine now so then. Talk for as long as you wish and pay for only the first minute of your call. The rest is absolutely free. And you also get to enjoy 50 MB of data to browse for free. Just dial *550# to subscribe to MTN Free After One now and stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Sister Son be a guy. Menenya issue kakra bi na de ade a meguso a me so. I just say me try meguso a me solve problem but you say. E ma de onyom nya asem ya na be you hu afi ma wie ne wa bre. Ti bi go so a me ne kan ho asem ne ade a. Ti de obeti bia na me how be bre but me ne ntem e fine still. Ade a say. Make us say wa banti wa baby and I just say no feel no you fan trust na, you know what I'm saying. Sister Sandy be a guy. I mean though we know cool but Charlie you still gotta get it going on, you know what I'm saying. Oh yeah, I'm cool baby.
What's your color baby? Because we drive and you cry hell. What's your color baby?
The shade blue.
What's your blue on? Jeko Huno. What's your blue ampa?
Oh, medical can be a church for say. No what issue. Oh, baby, that's why I love you. Yeah.
No, I can't do wedding.
Me, we don't make it in our paper.
No man can't change 1 week in a baby.
Oh, no, we will meet me at the paper. Meet me at the paper. One time, Bako cry.
Yeah, show Saturday. Yes, major now watching.
Now, today, what to do?
I'm praise me. It's about watching fabric and Jim issue. Menga issue. When we saw a lot of doctor friends and all that, yeah, we're teaching on Mutie. When him say me call up and you. Now you will miss it away. Jay, I feel the intimate too.
Oh, Panin will sleep. And then there, Panin.
Send my Jew me twine. I'm saying me.
Oh, Master Man, yes, sir. I told you, maybe the Kitway Gray. Who can some find it Pania 30 grams?
So to make an solution, Mammy, and Mr. Watty. Your poor Mr. Wa.
Massage, I'm a beco.
Yeah, I serious. Oh, could try to be tough and also winning. Oh, there be waiting.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Don't worry.
Momo, Eno Baroni, any a fear. Eddie Numbiamba just say airtight. Now, Matia, for last week, I'm beside me to me booty. God is a woman.
Yeah. I can buy the visa. I know about
maybe if you are home bed too. Again, no baroni. Maybe it's so bad.
Okay.
So, share a beefing for Ghana, ya pim. We are African, need be in African rapper be Kotagi no one posters in a mental challenge.
Yeah.
You better go find
you go madam.
Because they say the Africa, they know their best rapper.
Yeah.
This Africa, they manage. And no car was see a chima, my young cast man. Young bunny in general.
Ojana.
Say, dear,
Ojana. That girl a good girl, you know. That girl a good girl.
To me, inspection, no man.
Inspection.
Man, when I say, sorry, I mean, sure way.
Okay.
Hey, what's what came here, meow? I know, Queen.
Near me,
come not your love for the man.
Near me,
I know, Queen.
Me Queen saying, yeah, you man, I'm about.
Agenda boys. Who point baby apple?
Me go wrong.
Come not your love. Where am I witness? What's it? I want to why if at the top near maybe that they won't send a try no after.
Yeah.
We say no to do come because a bone. Now you say oh, I'm going to go to America. Because I do dressing a bone.
I attempts in there, but say, if you're never address no, I'm actually. After I did it, but I said, I feel me, I'm so a pit. I tell you that I pit. Oh, Charlie. Oh, then I'm not best member.
Why, no, so friend, America, they know so friend. Oh, Chili Jammin, not hear me. 2 minutes, we are now, say my update. 2 minutes be I know say my update. That OJ when you.
Oh yeah.
Whose house on trust am say hona man J why you ba be kwada ben.
Mesako.
We dey no dey on close.
We can do the MC be ko keep close G. If you keep close to ba Mesako.
Only team ben yes no max na.
Oh, Sana Max Jam. Na Max Jam.
Oh, no updates.
Oh, na Max Jam. Sana Max. Oh, na Max Jam.
Ana why?
Oh, jump den. Na squad wo mo. Squad wo
bari. So dey secretive file. But na man post to page on a guy.
Yeah.
Say na page akwa tourist attraction center. Ya ni kan na.
Udim de omo ye. Say mo ha na omo abam DM.
Aha.
Say me fa post bi anto a. Oh brother here no. Sao.
Na ultimate
give pressure.
So that aduane I also be post aduane no post funny video. But on say funny be very educated.
Yeah.
I mean they say mo am follow Jerry no.
I want people to just laugh at us.
Openya to Mahana say memra so. Make obisa nyom. Make obisa nyom.
All right. It's bibia ni a ye be hwe ni a na eno baroni ade na be kan ho asem ne hu bibia de be kwa akosi. Abusia fast them Vodafone. I'll say there's an energy inside us all that makes arts and music, that pushes science, that overcomes obstacles, cures diseases, and overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. For more, just log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can.
Hey, me network imbafia me. I was me dim mobile money. See me with our keska. Then so charges some 380 cedis. We send this can go charges no. Wait there cement 10 bucks so. Me niatie. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and can we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ni there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. And no so yet na emum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network. Be swap. And so you're free. Masa into work catch me. What that's so you then was sour network and no so move for bra Vodafone cash says yeah. Hey, masa you chip not to ball musisi. I know. Say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network. Be swap. And you're free. Send this do be and print do be got network. Be so free. Dial *110# says yeah in the send this.
Kwame, Jumerano no me who what
Uni asise de printing juma na say you can asam high into customers in juma ni nego. In fact hard biankasa.
Chale.
Ba unia why adio into me to generator ke say ekoye mo.
Unia manto me rente any generator express for ya when a him Anointed Electrical Engineering Services Sanye Rentals.
Hey, Trese, we you to on ton generator ni spare parts papa. Nessa on after sale services on Kronoa. Almost Sanye Rentals.
Sa pepe. Anointed with generators and who will be bria. Now who in free 5 equals 1000 kV on the high.
So on that one number 77 Anointed House here. A woman lang odoko kwai so.
Mo kumasenso Anointed was city style dynamo ewa makum wa ben HFM. Na Anointed and Krabate wo manyimu be bianzo gusu bejuma. For hotline 0243 480 334. Anointed Electrical Engineering Services. Still generating more before.
All right, so it will bring us to check our time, and we're gonna make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. And before we check out of here, happy birthday going out to Beatrice Issa Bedu, aka Jesus, at Nungwa, close to the Manchester Park. May God bless you and bless your children as well. From your children, Melinda, Millicent, and then Junior, wishing you a happy birthday. I'm sorry, this is Yami Admo Chan, they bet twice on yes. As that can say, come on, money at night, free no me, and bring me Pim Sabrina, Yami Shamuna. Now, as they don't come here, team, you know, Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, J. Cole, they be coming and I say, I'm for J.